Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you best HELOC lenders. So, you might be wondering what are the best HELOC lenders here. Well, first let's go and discuss what is or what are HELOC lenders. So, HELOC here is basically a way to unlock parts of your home's equity and use it like a revolving credit line. Now, it's considered a second mortgage. Instead of getting on lump sum here, you draw money when you need it and pay it back over time. Now, kind of like a giant credit card backed by your house. Now, the reason a lot of people like HELOCs is that the rates are often lower than personal loans or credit cards, but the trade-off is that your home is collateral. So it's something to treat seriously here. Now, if you're trying to find the best lenders for 2026 right now, well, the honest answer is that the best one depends on what you care about most: speed, rate, flexibility, or how easy the application feels. Now, that's why a zip code based comparison page is going to be something helpful here. But yeah, so what are your options right now? Well, some options are stronger in certain states, and with that said, here are 5 solid picks that you may want to know or consider. So, Figure is a popular choice here when speed and mostly online process matter. So they advertise approval in as little as a few minutes and funding in as few as 5 days. Now they position themselves as a big non-bank HELOC lender with high maximum amounts depending on qualifications. So if you want fast digital flow and don't want a long back and forth process, this is usually the check this one first option. Next is we have 4-Leaf Credit Union. So it's worth a look if you're specifically trying to get HELOC structure that's competitive on fees and introductory rates. Recent best lender roundouts highlights 4-Leaf for having like a low intro rate for a period of time, and also mention high maximum limits in some cases. So if you're the type of someone who wants to compare through costs over the first year, intro offers fees and flexibility, this one can be interesting. Next is we have AmeriSave. Now, AmeriSave is another one that's commonly compared because they promote both HELOCs and home equity loans. Now, with a quote-style application flow and broader availability than many smaller institutions, so if you're shopping around for offers and want to see how a more mainstream lender quotes you, well, AmeriSave is usually an easy one to include in your comparison stack. Next is we have Rocket Mortgage. Now, Rocket Mortgage here is a little different because Rocket has been clear that they don't currently offer HELOCs, but they do offer fixed rate home equity loans. Now, this matters because some people don't actually want a revolving credit line, so they want one lump sum with a predictable monthly payment. So if your goal is borrow once, lock a fixed payment, and be done, Rocket's home equity loan product is more aligned with the style than HELOC would be. Then finally we have Home Tap. So which isn't a HELOC or a loan in a traditional sense. Now it's a home equity sharing or home equity investment. Now the reason it shows up in these conversations is because it's marketed as a way to access cash without monthly payments during the term, so which can be appealing for certain situations. Now the big thing to understand is you're trading a share of future home value for cash today. So it's a very different a very different kind of cost than interest. Now it can make sense for some people, but it's not the same tool as a standard HELOC. Now, if you want the simplest way to choose between them, well, think of this like this. Now, if you want a fast and digital here, well, Figure is the obvious quote to grab. Now, if you want a credit union style option with competitive promos, well, 4-Leaf here is a strong comparison. Now, if you want a mainstream lender to benchmark offers, well, AmeriSave fits. Now, if you want a predictable fixed payment option instead of a HELOC, well, Rocket's home equity loan is the angle. Now, if you want cash now, no monthly payments, and you're okay with equity sharing trade-offs, well, Home Tap here is the alternative route. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.